Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. And welcome to day number 7 of my 9 days of giveaways. Here I have an example, this heavy box here, of the giveaways that I'm doing. I have 9 of these big boxes of beauty products that I am giving away. There are so many goodies in these boxes, and the way to enter this giveaway is super easy. All you have to do is subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram at The Life of Christina, and leave a comment on this video and just let me know how I can contact you. So the giveaway is open from today, the day that this video goes live, for 1 week after the day that this video goes live. And today I'm trying out one of the products that I got in my October 2022 Boxycharm base box. I have the TRESLUCE Beauty Lucete Glow Highlighter Palette. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of my Boxycharm box for the month, that video is already up here on my YouTube channel. But so this is cruelty-free. It retails for $26. And you've got 4 big pans in here. So here is what it looks like. I like that it also has a mirror. And I have tried out highlighters from TRESLUCE before, and I was not super impressed, but we're gonna go in fresh with these ones here. And first things first, I'm going to swatch them. Ooh. It's like a duochrome glow to that pink one. I mean, they seem pigmented based off of how the swatches are picking up. Very pretty. Nice white. Yeah, that pink is really pretty because it looks pink, but then it has like a gold sheen. And then a nice bronzy shade. They actually all are pretty light and bright that I feel like all 4 of them can work on my skin tone. So here are what those swatches look like. Excuse the scratch on my hand there. And what's fun about highlighter palettes is that it's easier to mix the shades together. So I might try that out as well. But first I'm gonna try picking up a fan brush, and like really any of these shades could work. I'm gonna start with the gold here. This is called Upgrade. I'm gonna pick some of this up on the fan brush, and let's see how this is on the high point of my cheek. Ooh, that is actually showing up very nice, even with the fan brush, which I feel like typically makes it go on a little lighter, less pigmented. But it's already giving a nice glow to the skin, but it's a very shimmer, sparkly highlight, which is definitely enhancing texture. So like looking at this part of my face with the highlighter, it looks so bumpy. But then just like my regular skin, even though it still has that texture, it's just not as noticeable without the highlight. And I don't want to be wearing a product that's enhancing something that I don't want to enhance, you know? So even though it's giving like that nice reflective sheen, I just don't love how my skin is looking. It makes me feel like I have like reptile skin with this on, and you don't want that. But let's see if let's pick up this one called Valor. And I'm just gonna use the fan brush again, and I'm just gonna focus this right here onto the cheek. I mean, wow, definitely buildable for bright glow. And it is more of like a light silvery light reflection coming off of all of the shades. Like, I love how glowy it is, and it looks nice on camera, it looks nice from a distance, but when I try out makeup products, I want them to look good for like super up close, because that's when I'm gonna feel the most comfortable in my makeup. And I just feel like this does not make me feel comfortable and confident in my makeup. But let's continue on. On the other side, I'm gonna try picking up the shade Cosmic, and I'm gonna apply this with my finger, which I usually prefer to apply my highlighters just with my finger, just like it's a little faster to get to the amount of glow that I want. And I mean, it's definitely glowy, but it's not a natural looking glow. Like, it's very obvious, like shimmer, sparkle on the skin, which is pretty, but I just prefer a natural looking glow. Even if I'm getting the same amount of sheen, I just prefer a shiny highlighter rather than a sparkly highlighter. So these I might actually prefer to use as eyeshadows rather than face highlights. But wow, look at that. With the pink shade called Cosmic on one cheek and then the gold and the bronze on the other cheek, they almost look like the exact same color. Wow. But now the white shade called Loose seems like it could be a good eye highlight. So I'm going to pick some up on my finger here. Let's see how it is on this inner corner. Yeah, like that is a perfect use. It's very brightening for the inner corner, but I think this looks better when I just focus it on this very small area, because then I'm not like seeing too much of my skin's texture, and I don't mind the shimmer sparkle on the eyes. So I think I still will get use out of these on my eyes, but unfortunately not on my face. And even just like body highlights, lip highlights, that's when I'll be reaching for this palette to try and get some use out of it. It's like places where I'm not too worried about my skin texture, my reptile looking skin. That sounds terrible, right? I mean, it's hard to believe that because I feel like on camera it's looking so good and luminous, but you know, I always keep it honest. I always look up close and I'm not loving what I'm seeing. But maybe this works for other people's skin. So if you've tried this out, let me know how it looks on your skin. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.